In this video, we're looking at a breakthrough in home cooking, a 3-in-1 indoor pellet smoker, air fryer, and grill. This gadget promises pitmaster results right on your countertop. We all love the taste of real barbecue, but let's be honest. Traditional smoking is a lot of work. You have to deal with inconsistent temperatures. One minute the grill is too hot, the next it's too cold. Then there's the mess. Cleaning up grease and ash is a tiring chore that nobody enjoys. The biggest hurdle, you usually can't do it indoors. Traditional smokers produce uncontrolled smoke that fills the room and lingers for days. If you live in an apartment, have strict HOA rules, or it's simply raining outside, you're out of luck. This product changes the game by using a proprietary smoke elimination system. It allows you to use real wood pellets indoors safely. Here is how simple the process is. First, you add your favorite wood pellets into the flavor compartment. Next, you choose your mode. You can select smoking, grilling, or air frying. Finally, you just let the machine work. It handles the heat curve for you. You can relax and wait for the alert that your meal is ready. This tool isn't just a smoker. It's a 26-quart powerhouse. It features 2 built-in fans that circulate smoke evenly. This ensures that bark forms on the outside of your meat while the inside stays juicy. If you're a beginner, don't worry about the guesswork. It comes with 10 smoking presets for classic cuts like ribs, wings, salmon, and even jerky. It also includes a meat probe. This lets you monitor the internal temperature with precision, so you never have to worry about undercooked or dry food again. When you aren't smoking meat, you can use the oven mode. It handles roasting, broiling, baking, and reheating. It even dehydrates food. Because the racks and drip tray are dishwasher safe, the cleanup is just as easy as the cooking. The beauty of this device is how much it does in such a small footprint. In smoker mode, you get that low and slow aromatic infusion. Switch to grill mode for high-heat searing on steaks and burgers, or use the air fry mode for crispy, golden results with almost no oil. Whether it's snowing outside or you just want a quick weeknight meal, this gadget brings the backyard experience into your kitchen. It's about getting that authentic smoky flavor without the typical hassle. If you want to upgrade your cooking game, check out the link in the description below for more details. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and share it with your fellow foodies. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest kitchen tech. Thanks for watching.